Hi everybody. Today on the Valdes' channel, we're making paella. These are my ingredients for the paella. I have some chicken that I seasoned with salt and pepper. I have here some seafood, different types of things, calamari, squid, shrimp. Here I have some peppers. It should be red peppers, but I didn't have any today. I have here some onions and clams, olive oil, saffron, salt, pepper, paprika. I have the arborio rice, sauce. It could be puree sauce or tomatoes if you want. I also have here some garlic and some chorizo. So let's get started. Nice hot pan, I'm going to put in some olive oil, and I'm going to get that chicken in there so that it's nice and browned. I'll be right back. My chicken is nice and golden brown. It's time to take it out. I also added the chorizo so that we could have it nice and browned as well. And this will also give color to the rice. Let's turn this off. So I'm adding some more oil now that I took out the chicken. I'm going to now put in our onions. Not me.
I have to show you sometime.
Oh, don't show me at all. I'm going to saute the onions and the peppers in there. That's good. Face is good. Okay. I'm going to add to this. I'm going to add to my broth some paprika. Some smoked paprika. Right, and this I'm going to add to this right here. I'm going to add some tomato puree to this. See, I smelled my garlic, that's why it was turning. Okay. Right there. Oh, you smell it? You smell it? Yes. All right. Chicken is going in here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some of the broth. It already has the, you see the color on it? It already has, how do you call it? The saffron in there so that you get that nice red color. Okay. Oh, it's good, right? The rest of my seafood stuff is for later. Okay, come back. So we're going to put in some peppers in here. Now that it's boiling, we're going to add some salt. Not too much because, you know, you don't want it salted. Not too much salted. And then I have the arborio rice that has been sitting here for a little bit, already all washed up and got dried up while it was washed there. That's about
I don't know, maybe 2 cups of rice. Okay, we're going to stir this up a bit so the rice doesn't accumulate in one place. Okay, and I think we have enough water to go with it. Let's add a little more. Some of the good stuff. See the saffron on there? Saffron is in there still. All of it didn't get dissolved, but that's okay. Okay. Next thing, when the water goes down, we're going to add all the seafood on the top. That means our chicken will be done. We'll add all our seafood to it. And we'll lower the fire and we're good to go. 20 minutes. Yum, yum. Okay, so now it's time to put the seafood in. Okay, I'm just putting everything around so that whenever anybody get anything, they get a little bit of everything. Okay, so I got the scallops in the middle, the shrimps next. Okay, and I lowered it. I have other things going on here. I'm gonna make it fast so that we could scallop the squid. Right? These are squids along with the octopus. See the octopus? Got all of that in there. And this comes in a packet for you, you know. You don't have to buy everything individually. And then here you have bay scallops. And you have the bigger scallops. The baby scallops. Okay, I'm on my last items. Coming in with everything else. And to the top of this, I'm just going to add just a little bit of olive oil on around that. Okay, and now we're going to cover it, and the rice will completely get done now. That's it. Done.
That fridge is probably like... Slow.